Fellow actor or actress, I think I have addressed this before, but you know what really stops us from succeeding and fulfilling our dream? You could say it's money, you could say it's time, you could say it is lack of focus, and you all would be right about those things. However, there's one simple remedy that you can do today for free that takes a millisecond. It's a habit that you need to break. And I'm telling you, if you succeed in breaking this, you will, well, you have to stay tuned. But before I tell you about this one habit that you need to break, that I need to break, that we need to break, I want to tell you something positive. Because positivity and encouragement goes a lot longer than saying you shouldn't do this, this, and that because this will happen. Correct? Correct. It makes sense. Encouragement is my middle name. Actually, my middle name is Wayne. But here it is. There is a lot of information out there. There are so many opportunities. I know because I'm a coach and this is what I do for a living. This is all I do. I love what I do. There is information. There's good information and not so good information. Check your sources, people. Check your sources. If you want to become a great actor, even greater actor than you already are right now, I say move towards the greats. That's right. That's what I said. Move towards the greats. And who are the greats? Presenting the greats. Michael Chekhov, Stanislavski, Strasberg, Stella Adler, Sanford Meisner, Uta Hagen, Viola Spoilen, and there are a few others out there that I would highly recommend that I study personally and have studied over the years that I incorporate and embed and unite within my acting and my coaching. Now, in order to be considered great, you have to have a good reputation, correct? Reputation is in the hands of other people. And these coaches, although they are gone for good, at least upon the earth, they have studied with and taught people such as Jane Fonda, Dustin Hoffman, Ella Kazan, Marlon Brando, Kathy Bates, Al Pacino, Liza Minnelli, Whoopi Goldberg. These type of actors have gravitated toward Uta Hagen, toward these various excellent coaches. Now, if you want to become a quality actor and build a foundation that will stand the test of your lifetime, study these acting techniques from these greats. As I said, I have studied them, I continue to study them, and I incorporate their techniques into the Thompson Approach Academy for Actors. Now, I told you the good stuff. Do you remember at the very beginning, though, I said about a bad habit that we all need to break? And trust me, I live in the 21st century, too. There is a little thing called Google and social media and various things that come up in front of our eyes as we open the windows and doors and pick the locks and things in the internet. And we get caught in the web. However, here is something that you need to break. And a bad habit is a bad habit, okay? It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world, people. It's just something that you have to eliminate, that you need to eliminate from your daily habits, from your daily searches as you search out for good auditions and good education. And here it is. When someone sends you something, do you heart it or like it, but don't look at it? Come on, be honest now. You want to be polite, even to those people you don't even know. And you want to heart it or like it, even though you haven't even looked at it. You haven't even delved into it. And it could be something very, very valuable that would expand your cranium and give you a break. It could be a big break. It could be a big break in your acting career. Do this with me. Okay? That's how we do it, right? I do it. Click. I liked it. Click. I liked it. Click. I liked it. I loved it. I hearted it. I hearted it. I hearted it. I hearted it. However, did you read it? Did you listen to it? Did you slow down and reflect? And this is the thing that I tell people to do all the time. Step back and reflect and absorb the information and consider it carefully if it's something that you want to learn. This is how professional actors, people that are well known, this is how they approach life in general. They slow down on purpose. And instead of inundating themselves with all sorts of windows and things, and open this and open that and read this and glance at this and glance and peruse. They slow down and they study, and they're careful about what they study. I learned this in New York City. People slow down, of all places. They slow down and they take a class and they focus and they listen more than they speak. They slow down. So, here is my assignment for you if you decide to accept it, and I hope you do. When you see something that bears an interest to your acting career or your life or the betterment of your lifetime, stop, take a look, consider it. Forget everything else. Push everything out of the way. Do not mistake busyness for success. Do not mistake busyness for fulfillment. That's a line actually from Denzel Washington. Busyness does not equal fulfillment or success. Have you ever went throughout the day and you checked your email and you checked all your social media platforms and you checked your YouTube channel and you checked this and you checked that and you checked the other thing, and you're totally exhausted, especially after working a full-time job, and you felt like you did nothing? Be honest now. You felt like you did absolutely positively nothing. I raise my hand. You raise yours. You need to slow down. If you want to become a great actor and get paid to do what you love to do, you need to pay close attention, because we don't get what we expect. We get what we focus on every single time. Remember that. If you need a coach, I may be the one for you. 𝐷avidThompsonCoaching.co. Contact me for a free coaching consultation. And remember, slow down and learn from the best. Learn from the greats. It's out there.